Good morning, friends. How are you? Hope everybody is fine in their home. They are taking you are taking your safety in your home. Today we are going to see 1.2 lesson the fun they had. But before start our story, this is a story. But before start our story, we have to complete the warming up session. Actually, I had already tell you what is warming up in the last session when we had learned the poem Walk a Little Slower. Walk a Little Slower is a very inspirational poem we had seen. It is a relationship between the speaker and father, and how the child want to be like his father, because he always think his father is his ideal for him, and everybody follow her or his father, because the father is the only person who can guide properly to their child. We had understand that poem. Hope everybody has completed the exercises. We will discuss on the exercises also in the further lecture, but today we will going to start about this lesson. First we will see the warming up session. It is a very interesting session. It is only for the students. Why? Because the warming up session is for to improve their vocabulary skill, the writing skill, and so many skills which are hidden in their hearts, and they have to explore that quality here. Okay, so it is not as teachers only discuss here, but you have to speak up. Now we are taking an online session, but so you are not going to discuss, or you cannot going to share your responses here, but you can write the answers or responses whatever you think about these questions in your notebook and share to me. Okay, so first question in the chit chat session, we can see here, what do you like best, what do you like best about your school? Means what is the thing you like about your school? Some says they like education, some says the teachers behavior are there, the atmosphere of the school is good. There's many types of things which you like about your school that you have to write here. Okay, you have, because you can send your video also by giving your answers, or you can simply write your answers and send me to the group. Okay, do you think school is a fun? Yes, you can think school is a fun with education. You can get knowledge also, you can get fun also, you can enjoy with your friends, you can take so many activities in the schools, you can play games also, you can take education, so many things. So it is a fun activity to going to school. Which is the part that you don't like? Which is the part you don't like about the school? So there are so many parts you don't like about the school. So many student doesn't like some lecture. So many student doesn't like the other facility of the school. So many things are there. So many student doesn't like the their friends, they don't like the nature of their friends. So many things are there. How often should the teacher give you a test? Means how often in this you can write, after every lesson the teacher gives you a small test to know that how much you had understand about the lesson. आहे की नाही? प्रत्येक शिक्षक तुम्हाला पाठानंतर एक किंवा छोटीशी टेस्ट देत असतात, त्याच्यावरून तुमचं किती तुम्हाला ग्रहण केलं, तुम्ही आकलन केलं, ते त्यांनी ते समजून घेत असतात, आहे की नाही? आणि तुम्हाला समजतं की तुम्हाला किती ते समजलेलं आहे की नाही? तर दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ brother and sister. Interesting story. We are going to learn this story later, but today we are going to see the warm up session. Hope you will you had understand this question. Please try to write the answer in a very easy way. If you find any difficulty, I am here to help it out. Okay, so first exercise is classify. Classify means to distribute something, to divide something from like there are three things. You have to divide these three things in a three group. There are so many words are given here. Listen carefully and write each word in appropriate column. Listen carefully and write each word in an appropriate column. You can see here they had given you 3 column, one ancient, modern, है कि नहीं, and third you had given here futuristic, means ancient, modern and futuristic. What is the meaning of ancient here? Ancient is, what is ancient? Ancient means प्राचीन काळातील, it is an ages before, decades before. Okay, second is modern. Modern means now which we are living in a modern world, 21st century we are living, है की नाही, आपण 21व्या सदीमध्ये जगत आहोत. थर्ड इज फ्युचरिस्टिक, विच इज गोइंग टू कम इन द फ्युचर, जो भविष्यात येणाऱ्या गोष्टी, जो आता आलेल्या नाही आहे पण भविष्यात ते येऊ शकतात अशा गोष्टी. तर व्हॉट दे हॅड गिवन टू मेनी वर्ड्स हिअर, सो मेनी वर्ड्स आर गिवन. व्हॉट यू हॅव टू do, you have to arrange these words as per their एजेस, ॲज पर देअर एजेस, कसे ते आले. ॲन्शियंटमध्ये म्हणजे प्राचीन काळात कोणती होती, मॉडर्न काळामध्ये कोणती आहे आणि भविष्यात कोणती येणारी आहे, ते तुम्हाला ह्या शब्दांमधून लिहायचं आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल वी कॅन सी दॅट बुलेट ट्रेन, दिस बुलेट ट्रेन हिअर इट इज अ मॉडर्न, यू कॅन सी हिअर बुलेट ट्रेन, नाही का. बुलेट ट्रेन आता चालू आहे आपली, यू कॅन सी द बुलेट ट्रेन. ओके, इन ॲन्शियंट दिस बुलेट कार्ड, बैलगाडी. ॲन्शियंटमध्ये तुम्ही लिहू शकता बुलक कार्ड, आहे की नाही, बुलक कार्ड. इन फ्युचर, व्हॉट इज इन फ्युचर विल बी देअर, यू कॅन राईट इन फ्युचर. व्हॉट यू कॅन राईट इन फ्युचर हिअर, इन फ्युचर you can write flying cars should be in the future. हवेत उडणारी गाडी. Now we cannot see the flying cars, we are seeing the cars are riding on the roads only, we had not seen flying car, but in future this can also happen. So many words are here. What you have to do, read all the words. If you don't find out the meaning, means if you don't understand the meaning, please take the help of Google or please take the help of dictionary and find out the meaning and put these words in a proper column. This is the easiest exercise for you. Please do this exercise, try to find out the meaning of all the words and write down this exercise, make this table in your notebook and share your responses on our WhatsApp group. Bicycle, you know, it is a modern. Wheels means the chakra, that you can know. Bullock carts, you know. Tar roads, Dambar road, you know. So this is, you have to find out all the meanings here and you have to put this 1, 2 and 3 column as per your understanding. You don't have to follow others, you have to follow your own idea. You have to find out the meaning from dictionary and try to solve this exercise. Okay, in the next session we will see some exercise which we had not covered there. This exercise we will see in the later part. Okay, thank you. Stay safe, stay at home, okay, and do the exercise. Okay, thank you.